Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back with another KodeKloud engineer tutorial. Today we are in Azure. Our scenario today is the Nautilus DevOps team is expanding their Azure infrastructure and requires the setup of a private VNet and subnet. The VNet and subnet configuration will ensure that resources deployed within them remain isolated from external networks and can only communicate within the VNet. Additionally, the team needs to provision a virtual machine under the newly created private VNet. This VM should be accessible over SSH from within the VNet only, allowing for secure communication and resource management within the Azure environment. The name of the VNet must be this. Create a subnet, name this, and under the same, further create a virtual machine named this under this VNet. Uh, Additionally, create a network security group named this and ensure that network security rules allow for the VM to only have access within the VNet's CIDR block. Ensure our resources are created in ECUS. All right, here's the Azure portal. So let's get started by creating the virtual network first. And we're creating everything in ECUS. I'll go ahead and copy the name of the virtual network and paste it here. And we'll leave everything else the same. Everything the same on security. Go ahead and delete the subnet and then click add a subnet here. I'm going to copy this and we'll paste this here. And I am going to enable private subnet. Click add and review and create. And we'll hit the create button and allow that to deploy. All right, our resource is now deployed. Let's go to our resource and we'll check. We have the subnet. So we have the subnet, everything is good. Let's create our virtual machine. Create Azure virtual machine. Right, we will choose the available resource group. Copy this. This here. Move the region. We want to be in ECUS. No infrastructure redundancy. Standard. The image we're going to use is Ubuntu Server 22.04. The size, we're going to come in here, click see all sizes, and we are going to choose B1s. Alright. Leave all this the same, and we will click none for public inbound ports. We'll go over to this. This type we will choose standard SSD. We'll go over to networking. We'll click none for public IP, and for network security group we'll go to advanced and create new. Choose this name right here and copy it here. Alright, and we'll get rid of this rule and add an inbound rule. So from the default VNet IP address, all source ranges and the destination will be the VNet address again, because we only want to allow access within the VNet address. And we'll say, let me see what services says. So service destination ranges, we're going to say any. And then we'll go ahead and add that. Click OK. And we'll go over to management. Keep everything the same. Keep everything the same. The advanced will keep everything the same. Tags, all that. Review and create. All right. And we will create this resource. So I need to download the private key. Download that. Wait for this to deploy the VM. All right, we're back. Our VM is deployed, so we can go ahead and check that out. All right. It's in the running state. To network settings. And we'll see that our rule was added right there. So let's go ahead and validate the task in KodeKloud. All right, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll be back with more videos coming soon. So go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.